Hello, this is True Circle Farms. I know the last video that I showed y'all the garden, I was trying to hoe it because I let the grass get overgrown. But I could not keep up with the overgrowth. So I allowed my husband, who was very anxious to get on his new tractor, to just go ahead and come on out and disc it up. This is the first run through. He's gonna probably disc it up twice. Two more times to make sure that it's finer, so I can come back out, and we'll probably just start our earlier fall garden. We might start ours like the 1st of September instead of October. But yeah, I had to let it go. I tried to hold, but yeah, that was a lot to do. Trying to work, and I don't have time to be arguing with them children to come out here and help. So I did what I did, and we disced up. He disced up his side, he disced up my side. So we'll see how it's gonna go in deer tracks. So we're gonna see how it goes starting in September. Starting the garden back over in September. Yeah. But the moral of this video is don't get lazy with your garden. Keep up with it, because it will run away from you like it did me if you watch that other video that I showed when it was all grassed up. But that's it for now. But I'm not done gardening. In about a couple of weeks, we'll be back out here planting new things for our fall garden. So y'all stay tuned. Once again, this is True Circle Farms. Y'all have a blessed afternoon. Goodbye.